Hey Firefox fans, Jack Wallen here to help you get things done. With the latest release, the developers changed the download workflow, which might not work for everyone. Let me show you how to change it back.
Click the Download Manager icon in the Firefox toolbar. Right-click a file, and then click the checkbox for Always Open Similar Files. At this point you're thinking, how do I define which application to use? Fortunately, the developers thought of this as well. If you go to Settings, General, Applications, you can locate the file type, click the drop-down in the Action column, and select the app to be used. If the app isn't listed, click Use Other and locate the app from the list, or in the case of Linux, locate the executable binary for the file, such as /usr/bin/gimp.
Hey everybody! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our TechRepublic YouTube channel, and be sure to check out more how-to videos at How to Make Tech Work.